it's Mike from Custom Cruisers being harassed by the staff. But Drag Specialties, okay, premium non-spillable performance battery. This really is the thing. Normal battery is 280. This is 310, 320 amp, even better. Okay, made in America, so they're not the usual. Better not use that word because I've been done for racialism, Far Eastern stuff. Okay, but quality-wise, you feel the weight of this thing. This is the heaviest battery I've ever seen in my life and tried to lift with one hand. But incredible quality. And being Drag Specialties, I believe these have actually got a 5-year warranty on them, or they used to have. But you do need a proper charger, like our battery tenders over here. This kind of thing, you know. And if you buy the leads like that, you can fit them on any bike, and that's a USB. So if you got any bike, you can charge your phone. Okay, but I've got to admit, Drag Specialties, Fred Fox doesn't sell shit. It's like me, he likes proper stuff, doesn't like cheap crap. So if you want a really good battery, we either do Odessey or these. These actually cost about the same as the Odessey, but they're all glass matte AGM batteries. But very, very powerful, very good. Give us a call. 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu. Thank you.